Once someone makes an inquiry with us, we will contact them, have a discussion of what they actually need. We then invite them into the showroom to explain in detail all the options that are available.
And what they see is a lift on display. They can touch, they can feel, potentially even look at colours that might suit the home, even cabin sizes that might integrate better with their needs and desires for the house and what they need to accommodate.
Coming into the showroom enables the customers to fully understand the product that they'll be getting in their own home. They can touch the products, see them in person, they can even take the lift for a ride.
The design process starts with basically each client's different. What we try to do is incorporate whoever's trying to help design elements of the house, whether it's an interior designer or the clients themselves. What we do is we get them in with all of their samples. They can bring in anything they have, whether it's tile samples or it's cabinetry samples or it's paint samples, and we basically build the lift around what's going to fit within the home. So we've got different skin plates, different RAL powder coat colours that they can select from that's going to marry in with the house.
Once a client has chosen their lift, we then sit down and tailor a quote specific for their requirements. Once the contract is signed, we then order site-specific engineered drawings. From there, we can check measure the measurements on site, get the clients back into our showroom, select their finishes, and then we can place the lift into manufacture. We then liaise with the end client or the builder and give them the ex-works date, which means when it completes its manufacturing process. Once that has happened, the lift is then loaded into a container and shipped from Italy through to Australia. We also provide the tracking number of the vessel as a bit of peace of mind if they ever want to check where it is. We are in constant liaising with the builders or the homeowner to make sure that the job site is ready for a fast install once it arrives.
As soon as the lift gets to site off the back of a truck with a HIAB, usually get two guys on site to start the install, and we keep those guys on site for the whole duration to make sure it's a smooth install from start to finish.
Then getting on with the install, basically that all follows various processes that we need to go through every time we tick off our checklist. We make sure everything is exactly right until that lift is installed.
So the testing, we test all the speeds, make sure the weight bearing is correct and the lift is running correctly.
Once the project comes to end, then I engage with the owner or the builder and we go through a handover. And it's great to see their reaction after going through a full handover with them.